Hello everyone! In today's video I will going for a super easy look for Christmas season in my opinion, and yeah, this is not something new. This is something that I already tried last year, at least on one nail in my set for Christmas, and it was so fun, it was so easy, so I just thought to try to do all an entire set with the Santa Claus hat. So I'm going for this very transparent mannequin looking color as a base for all my nails, and with these typical Christmas season colors I will just create my French. And when I create in French, as you can see, I'm not have like any specific rule really, because I learned that in somehow way I always it's not that difficult for me. Let's say for some people I know that can be a little bit tricky to create a French, so they have to, follow like some precise lines, and I to me it's just not that difficult. I'm lucky that is coming pretty easily to me, so yeah, I'm just like creating some lines and then the French will come for me. And when my French is created, I dry it in the lamp, and now I creating the parts of the Santa Claus hat, which is really just a triangle and is like super easy to create. That's why I really like that look, because it's so effective in the end, it's so easy. And yeah, I just creating the same with different colors. Obviously it's really up to you which color you will use. I really thought to use the ones I had. I didn't want to like to make an extra purchase, and yeah, that's nice if they have like glitters for example, or they have like some kind of flash effect. Also highly suggest. Not all the ones that I use have any flash effect, but I use the typical Christmas colors. When I created the French and the hat, I cured everything in the lamp, and then I took some white paint gel or art gel, and I just created the little white fluff ball of the hat. Also the fur around, all around the corners, the edges, and then with the help of a very thin art brush I just basically fluff out the fur of the hat. Really easy. And as a top coat I choose to apply a regular shiny top coat all over. Also there is the beautiful option to make it all matte. It will a little bit take down the transparency. Turn upside down, I cure it, and then I apply it on my nails as usual, just to show. So don't come for me because they're not perfectly attached, and you can see through also the little bit of gel that I used to attach them, but it's really just to show you. I wasn't actually convinced if I'm going to like that set till I basically put them on and recorded this part, because I don't know, I would just like, this is not gonna look good transparent, but actually I think it's cute. I don't know, let me know what you think in the comment down below, and thank you again so much for watching, and give it a like to this video if you enjoy it, and I will see you next one. Bye!